Hello and welcome. So this lab is going to be about configuring send as permission. I'll be configuring send as permission for Jeff and Parviz so that Jeff should be able to send emails on behalf of Parviz. So whenever Parviz is not available, Jeff is the secretary. Jeff should be able to send and receive emails. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna allow Jeff to send emails on behalf of Parviz. So I'll be configuring this and then we will be testing it in our next section where we will be installing our clients and we will be configuring Outlook for our Exchange server. So in order to configure that, for example, I want to allow Jeff to send email on behalf of Parviz. So I'll click on Parviz mailbox and then go to properties and then I'll go to mailbox delegation. So this permission says that send as. So this send as permission will allow to delegate to send the email. So what you will be able to do is you will be able to send as Parviz. So whenever the recipient, for example, you're sending an email to finance@elmjotech.com. So whenever this receives an email, they will not know that you sent that email. It's not Parviz. They will not know that Jeff sent that email on behalf of Parviz. But when you configure this send on behalf of, it's gonna just show the users that Jeff Green sent on behalf of Parviz an email address to you. And whenever you add someone as a full access, it means that you do not need to configure this and this because they already have full access. So we will configure send as permission for now, and I'll allow Jeff to be able to send emails when Parviz is not available, and I'll simply click on save and we are good to go. So that's how you can configure send as permission to allow a user to be able to send an email when the user is not available, or just send an email on behalf of another user, and you can also grant full access to it. So that's how you can do that. And in most cases, like most people when they use it is whenever they have a shared mailbox, they just configure full permission. Or sometimes when for example Jeff was working for 6 years and then he left, but still everyone is sending email to his account. So what you want to do now is you want to grant access to Parviz so that he can see Jeff's email and send emails or reply his emails, just replying as Jeff. So now you will be needing to give permission to Parviz to send as or send on behalf of, or full permission. So these are the different case scenarios where you will be needing to configure send as permission. So I hope this was informative for you, and I'll see you next lecture.